Hey everyone! Today I want to share a story about one of the most remarkable creatures on this planet, the elephant. Elephants are known for their strength, intelligence and most importantly, their deep sense of empathy. They teach us profound lessons about success, leadership and the power of human connection. Elephants don't just live for themselves, they live for each other. When a member of their herd is in distress, they don't walk away. They stop, they comfort, they care. Scientists have observed elephants grieving their lost, supporting their weak, and even celebrating the joy of a newborn. These creatures remind us that success isn't measured by how high we climb alone, but by how many people we lift along the way. So, how does this apply to our own lives? First, success is not a solo journey in the corporate world, in friendships, in our families. Those who build with others always go further than those who seek to stand alone. The most successful leaders are those who empower others, who listen with an open heart, and who understand that lifting someone else does not diminish their own power, but amplifies it. Second, empathy is the foundation of strong relationships. Just like elephants, we must be willing to recognize when someone around us is struggling and offer a helping hand. Through kindness and understanding, we build trust. And trust is the currency of true success. Whether in business or in life, people will always remember how you made them feel more than the words you spoke. Finally, resilience and unity pave the path to greatness. Elephants do not abandon their own. They move together, stronger as a unit. Likewise, in our own journey, there will be obstacles, failures and setbacks. But if we stand together, if we learn to support and uplift one another, there is no challenge too great, no dream too distant. So let's take a lesson from the elephant. Let's be strong, not just in ambition but in compassion. Let's chase success, not just for ourselves but for the collective good. And above all, let's walk through life with the understanding that the greatest victories are the ones we achieve together. Thank you.